morning, everybody. Tony Busby with Great Florida of Lake Nona, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about some of the things going on in the insurance world. Everybody knows insurance keeps getting higher. We're expecting more increases this year, anywhere from 10 to 20%, depending on the carrier and depending on what the state has authorized. Now, a big portion of that is a lot of these insurance claims are not like real claims. They're people using the insurance as a warranty program, specifically roofs. Now, October 1st, legislation came into law that spoke specifically about roofs and how once a roof is 10 years old, it automatically goes to actual cash value, not replacement cost. Because what was happening, a lot of these roofers were going around knocking on people's doors saying, hey, we've got the opportunity to get you a free new roof. When in reality, it wasn't free. What these roofing companies would do, and these are non-reputable roofing companies, so not all roofing companies did this. Reputable ones were still, to this day, very honest and did the right thing. But these non-reputable companies that would pop up, be in business for 4 or 5 months, shut down, pop up as another LLC, be in business for 4 or 5 months, those guys would say, hey, let me take a look at your roof. I would like to, help you out and help you get your due from the insurance company. What this has done is it's shoved a lot of cases into litigation. As of last year, January 20th of 2021, they had come out and said that, Florida insurers paid almost $3 billion in lawsuit costs that translated into higher premiums for the insureds. And that's according to the insurancejournal.com, an article in there written on January 20th of 2021. Also, in the same article, they talk about, although the volume of claims after storms is a factor on costs, claims unrelated to catastrophic events account for approximately 60% of all litigated insurance claims. So when you look at that, you're like, you would expect, with storms, claims to go up. But it seems like, it's been just the exact opposite. These roofers go and knocking on doors, and I'm picking on the roofers. I really am. But there's other contractors, plumbers, carpenters, stucco guys that used to do or still do the same shady stuff. So, if you think you have a claim, make sure it's an actual claim. Don't just, say, oh, well, I'm going to throw stuff on the wall and see what sticks. Because that's not fair to you. It's not fair to the rest of the people paying insurance. Because insurance, again, and I've said it in previous casts, is the largest social program on the planet. The claims of the few are supposed to be paid by the funds of the many. And in Florida in recent years, it has been the exact opposite. The claims of the many have been paid by the funds of the few. So the more claims we have, the less revenue is coming into the state, or not the state, but the insurance companies, when then the state has to approve for higher rates. And what they do is they go through the underwriter's books and say, hey, okay, let's go through all your books. Ta-da! You guys are losing money every year. You're not able to keep this up. If it goes for another year, you may be out of business, creating larger problems. So, yes, we're giving you the go-ahead to raise your rates a certain percentage. And that's how it really ends up happening. And, $3 billion in lawsuits. That's insane. So just a little something to think about before you make your next claim. I mean, insurance is here to help when you have a legitimate claim. It's not here to be used as a warranty program on 20-year-old roofs. But that's my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed the education moment, and I'll talk to you next week.